welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am 𝐷𝐿𝐒, and today I have this Yaki straight pre-highlighted wig unit for you guys. She's also 100% glueless, so if you guys are into really good glueless wig units, this one might be for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and go into this hair unboxing. Thank you guys over at OMGHERHAIR for sending over this wig unit. I really do appreciate it. They have really clean, crisp, chic packaging, you guys. I haven't received a packaging like this in like a very long time, and I love it. Like, it's super chic, clean, neutral color, straight to the point, and I love that. So yeah, it comes with a HD wig cap, a comb, which I'm actually going to be making use of, an edge wrap, and satin baggie, and things of that such. Now, to get into this wig cap construction, it does have a 3D dome cap. So if you guys are into 100% glueless wig units, meaning no glue, no tape, no adhesive, no nothing, then you guys should definitely be looking into the 3D dome caps, because they're actually the best ones on the market. So this wig unit, or this wig cap construction, has the 8x6 parting area. It also has the removable Velcro combs, the adjustable elastic cord, and she also is pre-cut, and it has HD lace, you guys. It also has this C shape that goes along your ear so that your lace wig isn't sitting on the top of your ear, so it's more comforting. And I just feel like that works depending on your head size. So I find that when I have a actual low ball, it fits directly around my ear. However, if I have just like a flat braid down, it does not. It's a little off. So again, I just think that it just depends on the size of your head and whatever foundation it is that you have going on. So this wig unit actually fit right along my ear because I do have a low ball right now and it's a nightmare. So anyways, let's just get into the specs of this wig unit. Again, this is a Yaki straight texture. She has the 8x6 parting space. She's pre-highlighted. In my opinion, you guys, it's just like a honey blonde. And she's in 20 inches and 180% density. Now, let's get into this hair review. I just feel like this video was like prolonged for no apparent reason. But because I'm a hair reviewer, let's just go ahead and like take our time and get this wax stick and flatten out the top of this hair. I just feel like if I was just like at home doing this like on my own, this wig would have been on in 3 minutes and I would have been out the door by 5. Okay, like literally, like they're making these wig units so easy to apply. Like, I feel like there's no excuse as to anybody saying that they don't know how to put on a wig or apply their wig unit, because I just feel like there's so many good hair reviewers out there across all the social media platforms showing you step by step how to like apply your wig unit, you guys. So they're definitely making it way easier for you guys to like do your hair at home. Like, really good wigs. I love these wigs. I love the glueless ones. I like this one the most because I am a frontals girl. That's why I love these 3D dome caps. I'm a frontals girl. I don't really care for closures. I review them, but I like the bigger parting space. So that's why I'm like a fan of the 3D dome caps. So look at me apply my foundation around this lace. Literally, where's the lace? Where's the lace? It disappeared. It literally disappeared. So I told you guys in my last hair video that I was going to start using my foundation shade around my hairline to blend my lace, because it just makes more sense and it actually looks way better in my opinion. So I guess if I was to wear makeup, I would use my darker shade, my contour shade, and then if I didn't have on makeup, then I would just use my regular foundation shade. So you guys should definitely try that out at home. Tell me what you guys think. But yeah, in this hair video, I'm basically just doing like my basics. Like, I feel like I was just touching up my hair when I was doing this hair video. 100% glueless, you guys. All you have to do is like fix your hair up, straighten it up, and that's about it. I do want to tell you guys that this is a 180% density wig unit, and it is definitely for my girls who like the natural densities. You guys know that I love very full voluminous hair, so this is a little lighter for me, but I wasn't mad at it because you know how the Yaki and the kinky textures can get. It's just like you put one more track on this wig, it's going to look really bulky. So I wasn't mad at the density of it at all. So if you guys are into like the natural densities and you don't want to deal with a lot of hair, then this wig would definitely be for you. Also, I want to highlight that these highlights are not all throughout the hair, you guys. It's literally just at the frontal area or the lace area, and that's about it. So in the back, it's just the 1B hair color. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say. Very quick, very easy wig to install, you guys. 100% glueless. I did not use any adhesive tapes, glues, sprays, or anything. I also do feel like you could actually go in and cut a little bit of lace off. I didn't notice it when I was actually doing my hair, because I would have did it, but now that I'm like doing my hair review or doing my voice recordings, I definitely feel like I could have cut a little bit off, just a little bit, just a smidge bit. But other than that, you guys, very easy wig, very easy, very sleek, and I love that. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.